What made me accept this show was the fact that I liked the content. I liked the idea behind the show. So for me, again, as when it comes to a film, it's the idea, the script. Of course, this is the first time that I'm playing myself in front of the cameras as opposed to hiding behind a character. That was both an incentive as well as something that was terrifying, because to a certain degree you have to expose yourself to the country. I don't mean in terms of clothes, only in terms of personality. That was slightly challenging for me. But I think when you have such solid content behind you, it makes it a lot easier. You have a great team. And of course, the format is an international one. There is a What Not to Wear America that I'd seen and a What Not to Wear UK, which are fantastic shows. And I thought that it would do very well in this country because there are so many women that we met and so many women that I know that struggle with the issue of style and who have so much potential, but something is holding them back, whether it's some kind of physical obstacle that they perceive in themselves or whether it's something psychological, whether they've had a baby or whether they are stuck in a rut. And it takes just a few specific tips from experts like Aki, and I've become a bit of an expert myself over the past couple of months.
See, I always wanted and I dreamt of a TV launch, always. And I think for me, this was the most creative platform for me to make my debut in TV. And I think what was really satisfying was to share experiences of the last 10 years of my career in terms of fashion, in terms of film, in terms of styling, and to share it with everyone on TV. And just it being so real, and with the kind of channel that TLC is, I could relate to that, It's fun, it's insightful, it's real, it was all about me, and I think it's the best debut I could have ever dreamt of.
I decided जब TLC हमारे घर पे आए थे, and they explained the show to me, which is called What Not to Wear, और उन्होंने मुझे कुछ DVDs दिए थे, What Not to Wear USA और What Not to Wear UK के, मुझे बहुत पसंद आया और मुझे लगा ये मैं करना चाहूँगी। और मैंने पूछा सबसे पहले कि मेरे को-होस्ट कौन होंगे, क्योंकि जब स्टाइल के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं तो I know a fair amount about style, but I'm certainly not an expert to give expert specific tips. और उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि अकी नरूला होंगे आपके साथ, so I felt very relieved. Not only is he a style expert, but he's got a great personality, and I felt that we'll vibe very well on screen. That's how it started, and I'm very happy that I did it because I've seen some of the promos. The look of the TV show is very nice. It's a reality show. It's based on our personalities as well as the 13 women that we met. We're giving style makeovers to, and we're helping them to overcome whether it's physical obstacle or a psychological obstacle, which is preventing them from trying out different looks. And that for me was very interesting.